In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Forms and Templates part of the Dusk IOP app. Start by entering your PIN. A sync is completed to pull down any new data and send back any locally stored data. Tap the Forms and Templates tile. In here are a list of forms or templates that have been made available from the back office. There's a specific tick box in the back office form builder that allows forms to be displayed in the mobile application. In here we have a series of forms. In this case here we'll look at the JSCA. By going in here we're able to go through, look at the information and tick boxes. These particular fields can be expanded and collapsed, and there's the opportunity here for multiple people to sign off. These forms and templates can also be attached to existing jobs. So if you're out in the field and the circumstances change and another JSCA is required, you're able to just go to Attach Form within the job and choose the JSCA from here and complete it. Forms can be used for anything. So as you can see in here, we've got a form for video training, for example. So if we're out in a location and we need to show someone a video of how to do something, we've got the opportunity to do that from this form. As jobs are created on the device, forms are selected to be added to that as well, so they're accessible from here. And this is the Forms functionality of the Dusk IOP app.